saying?
It's my birthday.
All right.
Oh, he likes it.
I'm gonna wear it tomorrow to school. Bro, happy 8th birthday. She is really nice to me. I like her when she plays with me because she's not rude to me.
Oh, it's so sweet. Okay,
She's like kind to me most of the time. A few days ago, we just played with each other.
Oh, so sweet. She has an amazing servant's heart. You always want.
But you have charisma. No.
How willing she is to do anything.
Oh, what a servant.
Your turn.
Oh, Justin.
Really funny personality. And it's never mean funny. It's always
It is.
Grayson is always thinking about others all the time, making sure everyone's okay and having a good time. So, is everyone having a good time, Grayson?
Yeah.
Yeah!